What's up, guys? It is Tuesday, July 26th, and I leave to go to Colombia for the World Championships Friday, July 29th. But I'm finna go get my nails and my feet done, and I thought about doing like a get ready with me to go to Colombia video. I'm gonna get my nails, my feet done, and I'm gonna do my hair. And I think that's pretty much all I have to do, because I'm not gonna wear lashes. I might put some strips on, and then I'll do my own eyebrows or something like that. But I'm on my way to the nail shop right now. I just left the nail shop. These are my nails. I got classic white toes. I went in there like 5:30 something. Baby, it's 8:30, but that's okay because I like my nails and my nails are cute. I really like them. She took her time with them, and I'm real particular about my nails, so I was like, file it down some more, take a little bit more off the top, around like I want my nails real sharp or whatever. And she did it, and I of course tipped her, because baby, if you don't tip, something wrong with you, because these people, okay. And so I think I'm gonna go home and like mess with my wig, start getting it ready to install, because I'm about to put this wig on, baby, before we go to Colombia, baby. I'm gonna be real cute, baby. So I'll see y'all when we get home. I done came back home and I grabbed my wig. Let me tell y'all about this wig. This is a 28-inch, I think it's 28-inch. I don't know, deep wave or curly wave, or I don't know, loose wave. Anyways, baby, I had this mud on for a good time, but it's so hot in Dallas where I'm at right now that, baby, I should sweat this mud off at practice. And ever since I sweat it off, I ain't put it back on because it's just too hot. But I'm about to revive it. I'm finna boil it, condition it, take the old lace glue off the lace. Can y'all tell? Take the old lace glue off the lace. And then I am going to, you know, get it ready to put on. I don't know if I'm putting it on tomorrow or Thursday, because today is Tuesday, but whatever happens. So I boiled my wig for about 20 minutes in a deep pot like this. Boiled it. I put some shampoo in it, and now I'm rinsing it out with cold water and doing another shampoo round. Just the lace. And now I boiled it. It's real easy to come off. Then I'm gonna get some alcohol and peel it up just like that. Oh, I might not even need alcohol. You boil it for about 20 minutes to loosen up that lace glue. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna detangle it. I got it laid out on the tile. I'm gonna detangle it, and I'm gonna be using Shea Moisture Curl Enhancer Smoothie and my Yale Pomegranate Honey Coil Sculpting Custom. All right, so I have completely detangled her. I got my fingers through her really nice. Her lace is clean. So you can see straight through everything. She really almost dry. I might could put her on tonight, but I think I'm gonna wait till tomorrow after practice. So I'm gonna take some Curl Enhancer Smoothie, just a little bit. guys, it is Friday, like 9:42 in the morning. Yesterday I took my braids down, washed my hair, detangled, conditioned it, then I braided it back and 8 regular braids, and now I'm about to install my wig.
But you get a bit
Okay, so I just finished installing my hair. We getting ready. I leave for Colombia in the morning. I'll show y'all that I'm done. So I have my USA suitcase. It is packed, baby. Packed. So like y'all know how like at the airport it's 50 pounds, baby. She 49.8. She's full, and I have my USC tag so that I can identify my bag. And then my good old USA backpack. This is gonna be my carry-on. So I have everything that I need to be in there. Regular itinerary for the flight, then clothes. That's not mine, but clothes for tomorrow. And I'm about to get in the bed. Thank you guys for watching. And I'm closing out this video. Hope you guys liked the get ready with me as I got ready to go to Colombia. But please be on the lookout for the Colombia vlog. And y'all know what's up. Until next time, Big Lacy out.